Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 3. This is Section 1.5, Problem 3. It says round 2,345 to the nearest thousand. So first we have to identify the position that the digit is in that needs to be rounded, and then look one position to the right. So the thousand position is the 2 in the far left spot. The 5 is in the ones position, the 4 is in the tens position, the 3 is in the hundreds position, 2 is in the thousands position. So now what we do is look one digit to the right, and I see that that 3 falls in the category of being 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So it is turned into a 0, and everything else after it is turned into a 0, and the 2 stays a 2. If it were bigger, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the 2 would get bumped up to a 3. But that's not the case for this problem. So rounded to the nearest thousand, the answer is 2,000.